Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful YouTube channel. As always, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that bell below to get videos directly to your phone or your computer without delay. Follow me on Instagram, Oshun_the Great, or ask me questions at my Gmail, oshunthegreat24@gmail.com. Alright, so I wanted to get your daily reading to you guys before I forget, as always, for Tuesday. So we're going to see what's in store for all of us. I have a lot of sales going on Instagram. Redid my prices for some things. I now offer psychic development courses where I can give you an estimate for 30 minutes to an hour to basically train you to be a psychic. Alright, so let's see what's in store. Freedom is near. So for a lot of you guys who have been working really hard for financial freedom, for freedom at breaking old beliefs or habits, that is coming very soon. So this indicates the ending of a hard cycle. This could be a cycle of poverty, a cycle of toiling away diligently day and night, blood, sweat, and tears, trying to make things happen. So this could be a time of reaping your reward. So congratulations. Y'all don't mind that I'm wearing the same clothes every video. Alright, so this is about letting go. So this is about getting out of your comfort zone, moving to a new home. So a lot of you guys are going to be offered a new home, stability, a place to grow and plant your seeds, somewhere that you desperately need, I'm getting. So some of you guys may find an investor or someone who believes in your dream or your vision. So that's pretty cool too. That's pretty epic, actually. You'll be surprised at who reaches out to you pretty soon here. Alright, so this is in reverse, but upright. This indicates the universe trying to ask you to be more lighthearted, more playful, enjoy life more. It's in reverse, so a lot of times we can get in adult mode. We can get too serious a lot of times. We take life too serious as well. So this is about you encouraging you to get out your comfort zone, do great things. If you're invited out to party, sometimes say yes. So try to get out your comfort zone. I'm gonna pull 2 more cards. Alright, so this is, some of you guys need to reevaluate what you want right now. Don't try to juggle too many things at once. Only narrow it down to one thing that you're trying to manifest soon. Also consider making dream boards, things of that nature. Judgment card. So yeah, this is about freedom. So a lot of you guys who have been seeking freedom, that is coming very soon. You're very, very close. Also expect collabs for YouTubers. Anyone trying to expand in business, expect a partnership up ahead. So yeah, that's really good news for Tuesday. But as always, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.